Police are currently looking for Jamison Nicholas Hawthorne. He is a 10-year-old white male with blonde hair, blue eyes, and was last seen wearing a blue t-shirt with white sweatpants with brown Nike sneakers. His last seen location is unknown. It is believed that he is in the custody of 27-year-old Gordon Quinton Cannon, a Caucasian male last seen driving a 2018 Ford Escape with main license plate KLC 2088KC. It is believed that Jamison is in extreme danger. If you have any information about the child or the kidnapper, please dial 911.